Alright everyone, take a look at the Seagull automatic diver's watch. We've got the holiday version here in a bright lemon yellow that really pops. It's got a solid rotating bezel. A really cool design touch. The crown and calendar windows sit right here at the 4 o'clock position. The watch case is made of lightweight titanium, so it feels great and super light. The crown is a screw-in type, which means better waterproofing, and it's built to last. It also has a quick-release strap, very easy to swap out. Waterproof rubber material with a leather surface, durable and comfortable. My wrist size is 16.5 centimeters, about 6.5 inches. Honestly, it's just an easy, youthful, and super fashionable watch. Thank you for watching.